copy startup tftp and address of the remote host 16.10 and destination file name. You can either enter the key or you can give as per your choice file name. So I don't want to keep another file name. I want to keep the file name as nih2config. That's it, and enter. So you must have two configuration in your PC which has been taken backup. So you can see here two configuration backup are available. So hi friends, today we have come with a new topic, that is taking configuration backup of router or switch in your network into a dedicated server. So here I have taken a small topology. In this topology we will get the configuration backup in your server. So in this topology here are two routers, NYH1 and NYH2, and one server where we will keep the backup of startup configuration or running configuration as well. Okay, so let's check. First we have communication of these three devices or not. So go to NYH1 and ping the server IP. So 192.168.16.10 of the server IP. So you can see you got the successful pings. Okay, you can ping the second router IP is also 20.2, so it is also getting ping. Okay, now how we can keep its backup configuration in your server. So we can keep it very easily way with the help of TFTP server. So we have to do TFTP server in your server or in your PC. So TFTP server should be installed. It is installed in the already, and you can see, and make sure you have browsed in your um, designated directory so that you can find your logs easily where you have kept your backup file. So I have browsed it and make the it desktop so that any configuration, any backup should be in the desktop itself. So let's go ahead and take the backup of configuration. So I have configuration of show startup config of this router startup. So I have this configuration, and that this I need to be keep backup in my PC. So there is a simple command, copy startup config tftp and enter, and address and name of the remote host. You have to put the IP address of the server where you are going to keep the backup, and designation file name you can keep is this that was suggested, nyh1 config, or you can give your as per your choice. So let me change it, router 1 backup startup config backup startup config backup. You can give as per your choice. Okay, that's it. So let's check if it has been copied or not. So go to the server and check on the desktop. So you can see you have got one file name, that is router1 startup config backup. Okay, you can do same thing in your router, second router. copy copy startup startup tftp and address of the remote host 16.10 and destination file name. You can either enter the key or you can give as per your choice file name. So I don't want to keep another file name. I want to keep the file name as nih2config. That's it, and enter. So you must have two configuration in your PC which has been taken backup. So you can see here two configuration backup are available. So that's it. So I hope you have uh, got the concept of how to take backup of in your host device in the network, where you keep the backup of every file in dedicated server. So thank you for watching this video, and hope you have if you have any question related to this topic, you can put your comment in the comment section below and we will try to answer it. Thank you.